They didn't start with the bricks, they started with the heartbeats. 35 years into the life insurance, general insurance and critical care. Now one of the most trusted brand is building your next address, and this completely changes the conversation. Hi, this is Jyoti Sharma, and today in this video we are going to talk about the complete details of this project. Today I am at
Max 361, Sector 36A, Dwarka Expressway, Gurgaon.
And in this video we are going to capture each detail, like when this project got launched, when it is going to deliver, what amenities do we have, what sizes do we have, and what makes this project completely different from the other projects. So let's start the video. The journey of Max began in 1985 when Mr. Analjit Singh founded Max India with the pharmaceutical company, and he was the first person in business history who got awarded by Padma Bhushan in 2011. So this wasn't just another company, it was the start of the brand, which was built on values, Seva Bhav, excellence and credibility. So over the years, Max expanded into telecom services, health insurance, life insurance, and along with the very known brand Max Life Insurance. And then came a big shift in 2016. Max decided to enter into the real estate. So serving along with the healthcare facilities, Max decided to serve people with their addresses also. And that's how Max State was born. Max basically works on three core pillars: wellness, sustainability and community living. So now let's talk about the location. This location is 36 sector on Dwarka Expressway. When you are coming from Gurgaon towards Delhi, this is the first entrance of Dwarka Expressway, having half of kilometer of spur of Central Peripheral Route. This is CPR. And next, when we are coming from Delhi, this is the last exit of Dwarka Expressway, having a good hype of the projects. This area is already developed with the infrastructure almost 80%, and next is upcoming in 4 to 5 years. You may have heard about the Global City and the Vision City, which is coming up. In next 4 to 5 years, you will be seeing a massive growth in infrastructure, residential and commercial in this particular area. So Sector 88 is already being developed as a Vision City, which is the commercial segment, and you may have heard about Global City, which is the complete government project, and this is taking shape nowadays. तो जब हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में थक हार के घर आने के बाद ये सोचते हैं ना कि हमें कुछ ऐसा चाहिए जहाँ पे ग्रीन हो, ओपन एरियाज हो, एक फ्रेश एयर हो, परफेक्शन हो, केयर हो, वाटर बॉडीज हो जिनका साउंड हमारे दिमाग के सारे स्ट्रेस को गायब कर दे. So this is the project. So the detailing is Max 360 was launched in 2024. They launched with the 6 towers. 2 towers were the Antara towers, which were focused on the senior livings, and 4 towers were for the normal livings. And in 2025, they launched Max 361 with the 6 towers again, but focusing on the different living styles. Focusing on elderlies, millennials, Gen Zs and kids, they have created each and every segment very specifically, where Antara is for elderlies and canopies for the super millennials, and Gen Zs are focused on the terraces nowadays. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था, in 2024 they launched Max State 360. Max 360 की construction, as we can see at my back, this is happening now, and almost second floor पे ये construction पहुंच चुकी है. The delivery time of this project is 2029 December approximately, and अगर आप लेफ्ट साइड में मेरे पीछे देखेंगे, दिस इज द कनेक्टिविटी व्हाट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट. दिस इज द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, एंड दिस इज द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स गुड़गांव. So this has a very seamless connectivity from Delhi and Gurgaon, and the IGI airport is just 15 minutes away from this particular location. So in front of the model where we are standing currently, this is of Max 361. Let me explain it for you to just make this easy कि आपको इसमें क्या मिलने वाला है. So starting from the front, this one model which you are seeing, this building, this star is of the terraces, which is going to be 1.5 and 2 bedroom apartments. So these are typically for the kind of studio apartments what Max is going to bring. This is having the 80,000 square feet of area in the clubhouse, which is below. You can see this is of the 2 floors. So moving ahead, this is the greener area what you are going to see. The blue part, if you can see, this is the water body of this project. This is approximately of 13 acres. So next, this is the sports area. which is dedicated to the residents only. Next, moving ahead, this is the future development which is going to come up. They might be launching in 1.5 years at max, and these are the 4 towers which are coming up with the segment of 3.5 and 4.5 bedrooms. This is particularly having the clubhouse area of 2 lakh square feet, where you are going to get all the amenities. I'll just quickly brief you the amenities what we are going to get. Till then, we can show around the land parcel which you are seeing parallel to this, which has the white part. This is the 360 which I've already shown you the construction going on. Then this was launched in 2024. This is completely sold out. So now we are more focused on 361. So now let me talk about the investors' point of view, how investors are going to get profit out of this particular project. अभी investors invest कर सकते हैं सिर्फ 361 project में, because as you can see at my back, this is 360. This project is already sold out, so we won't be getting any option to invest in. 361 में हम देख सकते हैं, and as you can see at my back, this construction and the other construction which is happening, this is Krisumi, and if you can see, there are few commercial towers are visible from here. That is the 75 sector, again one of the commercial hub. So as I said, that 88 sector, the Vision City, Global City, and this sector 75, and the Cyber City 2 concept, multiple options in commercials are coming up, so we'll be getting a very good scope of the appreciation if we invest in this particular project. By investing in this project, you just have to pay 20% for now, and the rest payment would come after approximately 1 to 1.5 years, and then again altogether 40% of payment till 15th slab, which takes approximately 1.5 to 2 years, and you have a good scope to take an exit also after the appreciation. And having a good land parcel, because Max is more focused on the green areas, resort style living, and जैसा कि wellness पे तो वो focused है ही, तो उन्होंने ये बहुत ही strategically choose किया है इस project को. So here with the Max State, you are not just investing with a normal builder, you are investing with someone who is already having the experience of decades in serving people, like in the insurance, in healthcare, and as I mentioned multiple things over in the video. These all categories adds the layer of flexibility and the reliability which no other builder can match. So invest in Max and trust on the builder. This is Jyoti Sharma signing off now. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.